Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the Higher Paper series. Higher Paper 1, question 9. Now we've got here a company orders a number of bottles from a factory. Now there are 8 machines in the factory and they could make all the bottles in 5 days. Now all the machines work at the same rate. Now in this case, for 2 days, only 4 machines are used. And maybe there's a fault or something else. Now from the 3rd day, all machines are used to make the bottles. So you've got to work out the total number of days taken to make all the bottles. So if I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those are the days. Now that's what's happening, and we've got to make some calculation there. The first 2 days, only 4 machines are working, but then on the 3rd day, 8 are. So we're going to introduce perhaps a new unit to some people. It's called a machine day. And we've got to know how many machine days does it take to make all the bottles. Now if there are 8 machines and 5 days, we get 40 machine days. And we know that's the total of the project. Now for those first 2 days, we're only getting 8 machine days out of it. So 40 minus 32, minus 8 gives me 32. And then we've got to realize how many more days it will take us to work out that 32 machine days. So we have to take the 32, but now on that 3rd day, we're going to have all 8 machines. So we're going to divide it by those 8, and we get 32 divided by 8, which is 4. So it's 4 days plus the 2 days at the start. So that gives us 6 days. There are other ways of working this out. If you're a visual person, you might think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And then if I break those in half, say this represents 8 machines. But on the first 2, those 2 halves are out. Well, I could add those 2 halves on at the end for the 6th day. And it would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. And also you could do it if you were calculating with fractions. Okay, I hope that explains machine days. Work out the total, subtract the bit that you've got from the first 2 days, which was the 8, and then work out how many days you need to do for the rest of the 32. So, and then add the 4 and the 2 to get 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and continue watching this Higher Paper series.